Hello and welcome to Elemental Hardware Enrichment. I'm Mr. Rizzi and today we are going to build a name sign. So let's get started. First thing we want to do, safety first, glasses. Second thing, we're going to need 3 tools, right? We're going to need our screwdriver handle, we're going to need our 7/16 socket, and we're going to need our AD bit from this little rack of bits. And the AD bit is for that. Okay, you put your AD bit on the handle, then take your socket and put your socket on. You can put that to the side. So for our name sign today, we're going to have to paint it first before we assemble it. So let's get all of our parts out and let's go over them. We have our bag of hardware. We have some other rectangular parts and then one that has curves on both sides. One that has curves on one, and this one, or these two, have no curves. Okay, so we have to paint this first because when we assemble it, it'll be really hard to paint. So I think we should go ahead and take some time and paint now. Okay, so now that we've painted all of our parts, let's get ready to assemble it. Let's move this guy, or your big rectangle, out of the way. Get your hardware. Let's dump that out. And the first item you're going to need is the longest bolt, which is a 3-inch bolt. Okay, we're going to need that. We're going to need a washer. You could take your washer and put it over your bolt just like that. Okay. Grab the 2 rectangle pieces that have a hole on one side. Move the rest to the side. And the first thing you're going to do is take your bolt, put it through, put another washer on, then take your piece that has rounded ends on both sides, put that on, then take another washer, then take your other rectangle piece with hole on one side, put that on, one more washer, and then one nut. Okay, take that and you could tighten it down with your finger till you get kind of snug. Then you can take your screwdriver handle, hold one side, and just tighten it down. Okay, so now we have another long rectangle with one rounded end and one hole. And if you look on this one, it has 2 small holes right here. This is going to be for screw hooks. So grab those and screw those on. Make sure when you're done, or when you get close to the end, that you finish going across the block. Same thing with the other side. Okay, just like that. Now, take that block, take another bolt, put the washer on the bolt, take your block, put the washer in between that, then onto the next block, washer, nut. Tighten it down with your hands. Oh, and also make sure that the hooks are facing down, because if they're not facing down, it's going to be a little bit difficult for your name sign to hang there. Tighten that down. Now, take your little plaque. Do the same thing on one side. There are 2 holes. Put those on. Same thing with this. You want the hook going across the block. I'm sorry, this one is in line with the block. Okay. Then you take your little sign and hang it right on your stand. And voila! Now that you see how it's assembled, you can take this plaque off and write your name on it, since it's the name sign. Ta-da! Now that our name sign is complete, I hope you've enjoyed this project, and I'll see you on the next one.